Happy summer, mission makers. Our team is above and beyond excited to see all the wonderful new missions you guys have been creating and launching in time for summer vacation. And we've also been noticing a lot of questions coming in about the maps for these new missions and how to make them easier to understand. Now, if your package is at the silver level or higher, you can have our team create a detailed map of your mission space. But if you don't have that map available, or if you're setting up a mission somewhere brand new, or if you just want to do up something quick in the course of 5 to 10 minutes, keep your eyes glued to this What Does Jay Say episode for a quick workshop on DIY maps. Now, the easiest way to get started on editing your maps is to go into the map editor for that mission and scroll down the page to the map preview section. You can click download image to get an image of your map that's perfectly cropped to your current boundaries, and that's the image that we'll be editing to provide some more info. Now, there are already some things you can do before you download this image. Right now, this visual toggle is just set to show the basic map, but you can also have it display pins in the exact locations of your challenges if you want those to be easier to find. Something else you can do on the map directly is right-click anywhere within your geofencing boundaries to create landmark pins. You can then have the map preview display these locations of the landmark pins with or without your challenge pins. You can also delete these landmark pins by clicking delete next to the selected pin underneath landmarks. Once you've downloaded your map, there are a couple of extra things you can do to customize your visible boundaries and your walking trails. This is a very, very crude example of the latter. This was done in Microsoft Paint. If you can step it up a notch and want to make something a bit nicer looking, consider having someone on your media team create an ArcGIS map or a file in Photoshop. Programs like these allow you to work in multiple layers, so you can create your highlighted paths over top of the regular map image, and then if you want, you can get rid of the background and just upload these paths in a transparent PNG file. And this will still look like it's on top of the Google Map image underneath. Another question that we get asked all the time is, can I make my map into something other than a rectangle? And you sure can. This is another example here just done up in Microsoft Paint, where we just took the original rectangular map for this mission and we sectioned off the outside boundaries even further simply by creating this polygon shape and filling the outsides with black. Once your new map is ready, come back to the Edit Map section and upload your new map into the Custom Map section just to the right of Map Preview. If your resolution and dimensions are unchanged from the original preview image, it should just fit perfectly within your current boundaries without you having to resize or reposition it. If you do need to reposition your map for whatever reason, we're happy to confirm that this will also be easier moving forward, as the map preview will now become translucent while you're dragging and resizing it to help ensure that it's accurate. Let our customer success team know if we can assist you in any way with making these changes and setting in new maps. We hope this gives you some inspiration when making those new missions, and we wish you plenty of visitors during your summer months.
It was just so fun, and I hope to do this again.